This guide will walk you through the process of asset discovery. Go to your organization's dashboard. Navigate to the Attack Surface page. Then select the Discovery option from the menu. To list potential assets, change the view mode to Discovered at the left top corner. The Assets table will show the potential assets ordered by confidence, which can either be high, moderate, or low. The confidence has a score that computes the likelihood an asset belongs to the same org as the confirmed ones. Discovered assets can either be confirmed by clicking the Assign Owner button or can be rejected disqualify using any of its connections. An example is a domain name with a CNAME that points to a hosting service. The hosting service should be excluded to disqualify assets pointing to same hosting provider. This can include third-party services like a DNS service, a CDN, or a SaaS provider. We are dedicated to enhancing our product to better cater to your evolving needs. Stay tuned for exciting updates and advancements. Thank you for choosing Ostorlab.